In the last episode, we installed the requirements for Python. Now we will write our first code, Hello World. Open PyCharm. Type print. Type open and close bracket. Inside them, type quotation marks. Inside them, type Hello World. Click on this drop-down. Click Current File and then the Run icon. You can see Hello World written here. You can change Hello World to anything. Press Run again. You will see the text here. The print is a function. This function prints the message on your screen. Every function needs an opening and a closing bracket. Like this. Inside it we write the text you need to display. The quotation marks are mandatory for texts because they are strings. You will learn more about strings in the future. Feel free to comment any doubt. Subscribe to be the first to learn more. Like so that I will reach to more people.